God, what are you doing?
Filming James. Look at that little pony over there.
Let me see.
He's chasing something.
Videotaping all this online?
Oh.
You're chasing a bunny.
Hey, yo, faggot. Jordan, get over here. Do you think Jordan would eat a tampon?
Probably. If you told him.
Oh, James, no.
Where did you get this towel?
That's my toe.
Oh crap! I was gonna look.
Did you see it?
James, get off!
What? Did you see what I did to Jordan?
What?
I went like this, and it would have been a crotch shot, but then he went like this and he grabbed my boob on accident.
It was like up here.
No, it
It was
wasn't.
like a palm boob. My boob. Wait. I was even looking. I was going like this.
Ew, I don't want that on my phone.
Oh.
That's old man Sanders. I want to watch this thing.